Hi everyone, it's DeLa here with another new makeup tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for Wooloo. We start off with some primer. I use e.l.f. primer because, as you've probably noticed by now, I like to use affordable brands. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on your face. The next thing I did was apply foundation. I did 3 drops, rub it in, not super hard at all. And then you check it to make sure it looks good, because that's, what I did. And I used the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to use this really cute hot pink shade here. And I'm just gonna pack that shit all around my eyelid, because that's what I wanted to do, because I was feeling really pink. Yeah, see, look at that. It's everywhere. Amazing. Next, we're going to highlight the inner corners of our eye with some highlighter that I already showed you. Yeah, and just put it and kind of blend it out into your eyeshadow a bit. Yeah, then give it a little check and move along. Next, we're going to take a white eyeliner pencil. I don't remember what brand, it's probably like 99 cents or something. And we're going along the bottom eyelid. Basically, we're creating like a big eye effect. See? So there we go. And then I went over it again with some white liquid eyeliner from the brand Ruby Kisses. Just because I wanted it to be like really white and really saturated. But you could just stop with the pencil if you want, or you can do both, either or. So yeah, same deal, I just went over it again to kind of make the white pop a little bit more. And we're good. The next thing I did was get an eyeliner felt tip eyeliner pen. I cannot talk, but I'm not re-recording this, so yeah. So I went along my top eyelid, my upper eyelid, and then kind of went along the lower part underneath where the white was. Yeah. And then I drew on some lashes in the corner. I like extended the inner corner of my eyelid and then drew lashes on with the pen initially, and then I decided that that wasn't dark enough, so I moved on and went back over it with some liquid eyeliner. That's by Wet n Wild, I believe, or maybe e.l.f. I don't know. I'm gonna have all the product descriptions. The products listed in the description. Yeah. Anyway, that's what I did. I drew it on. That's what I did. Moving on to blush. More e.l.f. because it's cheap and because I like it. Gonna put some pink blush all up on our cheeks. Just pack it on there. You gotta smile to get that that meaty part of your cheeks. Yeah, look at that meat. I'm really tired while recording this, but yeah, and just keep going, you check it, and it looks good. Wowie wowzers. The next thing is, we're gonna go back to that white eyeliner pencil, and we're gonna make these cute little, like, I don't know, kind of highlight markings, with the eyeliner pencil. Do a big one in the same area, roughly, that I'm doing it, and then a smaller one. I could probably just upload this without the narration at this point, because it's very visual, but I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, and now we're gonna take the eyeliner pencil and put it along the bridge of our nose. Kinda make it, pop more or whatever. I don't know, I thought it looked cute. So that's what you do, and I blended it with my finger. We're returning to that same highlight we used earlier in the inner corner of our eye, and now we're gonna highlight our cheekbones with a fan brush, because it's cute and I like it. Look at that. You check it out, and then you move along. You smile first. Okay, now I'm going to take some eyeshadow primer and put it along your nose in the shape that you want, like, your animal Wooloo sheepy nose to be, because it just helps the eyeshadow that we're going to be using, same one we used on our eyelids, stay on better, and it pops a bit more. So yeah, I'm going to take a different brush and just like put the pink all up on our nose and like the upper weird centery part of your mouth, the space between your mouth and your nose. I don't know what that's called, but yeah, you can watch me do it. And then we're gonna draw a very defined black line in that part that I still don't know the name of. I'm gonna Google it when I'm done. Then we're gonna take our liquid eyeliner and just make 3 dots on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because that looks all animal-y and cute. When we check it out, we check our makeup. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we're going to take some matte black eyeshadow and go like around the edges of the pink part of the nose and then just kind of like blend it with your finger and kind of just add it. I don't know, it adds more definition so it's not just a solid pink nose. It looks cooler that way. Even it out if you jacked it up and it looked uneven. And yeah, highlight again because I was just really feeling it. We're gonna do some more stuff with it. Take it and put it on your nose. Now it's got a big shiny part. Yeah, that's good. Check it out. Now we're gonna put on some lipstick. That's by CoverGirl. I don't remember the shade, but again, I will put the actual like specific products in the description, so don't worry. Yeah, look at that. That's a bit much that I would not wear normally. But then we're going to take our felt tip eyeliner again and kind of go over the upper outer edge of our top lip. Then we're going to put some gloss on top of it. Yeah, look at that. Wow. And then you rub your lips together and you say, dang, I got hot lips. Now we're moving on to our eyes again. Yeah. Mascara. Put it on. Because it just, your lashes, I'm going to put on false lashes. False lashes just look better when you put your eyeliner, your mascara on first. Yeah, check it out. That's cool, right? But we want to punch it up a couple notches, so we're going to take some eyelash glue, put it on our lashes. Very carefully. Yeah, look at that. And I just put mine on with my finger because I lost the thing that you press them onto your face with. And I don't know. Yeah, I got them on there. They're good. They look good. You secure them. You make sure they're good with your finger if you lost your little applicator like I did. And then I don't do a lot with my eyebrows besides like I shape them and I brush them out when I need to and like comb them, but I don't draw my eyebrows on because I don't know how, and every time I try it, it looks so stupid and I just don't. And then I touched up the black part of my lips again because that's what I did. And yeah, next I had to, I don't know, I felt like my face was getting too shiny. So I took some matte like finishing powder, setting powder, and I put that on to make sure that it still looked, you know, good and I didn't sweat it off and look like an oily grease monster. And finally, we're moving on to the wig. Normally I would like braid my hair down or twist it, but I didn't do that this time, so I used 2 wig caps to smush it all down. Now I look like a cute little alien. And then next all you need is your wig and your contacts, and you're done. I also 3D printed the horns for this. Super easy because I just made 2 quick little cones and printed them out and put them on my headband. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Yeah, bye.